down towards the market square again, just outside the wool pack, and then we're looking down. Right, well, I've got my Christmas hat on and I'm getting in the festive mood. So we're in Wainfleet, and today there is the annual Wainfleet Christmas Market, and then later on this afternoon, as the sun sets, there is the Wainfleet Christmas Light turn on, and so we're hoping to possibly visit here a couple of times today. We're going to have a quick walk around the stalls now.
So those that have been following us for a long time may remember that last year there was a massive storm and it all got rained off and cancelled.
So Sandra should have had a stall here last year and everything. Yeah, that's anyway.
Glad it's going better this year.
Yeah. So we're going to go have a quick wander around the stalls. Completely off topic, we've actually ordered our tea tonight from the Angel pub in Wainfleet, who do a fantastic carvery that you can take away on a Sunday. So today's a Sunday, so we're recording this. So we're killing two birds with one stone while we're here. And
I'm killing three birds with one stone, so I've got some items to donate for a local fundraiser at the pub as well.
Yeah, so we're going to have a wander. As I say, it's still quite relatively early. It's about 1:45. To say the event's on throughout the course of the day. Right, we'll come back in a moment. So sorry, the ball toss game here. He was at Skegness Christmas Market yesterday. If you've not watched that video, do go back and have a little watch of it.
It looks like your sort of thing, doesn't it? Yeah.
Right, so there's the Christmas tree.
When did you get the tattoos, mate? What's this tattoo? Maybe a horsey one.
A doggy jumper, Sandra. You're flashing what? A doggy jumper? You sure? Hey? Dogs have got big woolly coats, or our dog's got a big woolly coat on it, that's for sure. So you actually won a prize with this gentleman yesterday, didn't you?
I can't believe I actually won something. I was like, surprised.
Alright, lots of people win. Yeah. We're good for winners. There's a few running around with elves and today.
What did you Nutcracker, wasn't it, I think?
Yeah.
You got one yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, they're all gone.
Oh, they're all gone? They're all gone?
Yeah.
Oh my golly, good grief. There you answer the market. We'll have another wander round now that the darkness is here. We've got about half an hour to go. And we've got the lights turn on, right. Hang on, we've got a show on.
chestnuts, fresh roasted. Oh, beautifully uncooked. Come and get them. Fresh roasted chestnuts. Come and get them.
Right, we've been joined by a couple of little subscribers. You said we've seen you on YouTube, didn't you? Come on, who are you going to shout out to?
What was I saying?
Have you lost your train of thought?
My name is Ryan,
Okay.
and that's my sister Skylar.
Hello, sister.
She's annoying.
Who do you want to say hello to?
I don't know. Say Bob. Rasha. Hi! Who's Rasha? The dog, I think.
It is the dog, Rasha.
Hey, I got it right!
It is the dog, Rasha. There you go. There you go.
Yeah,
Now, in the last couple of hours, there's been torrential rain and some heavy winds. The stall down the bottom there, he's almost underwater, the poor stall holder, and his stall was almost lifting into the sky. Right, come and join us, and we'll film a few more carols as they're being sang here.
You will get a sentimental feeling.
Got one more song and then it will be ready for our switch on. We do have a couple of songs afterwards, so stay with us to continue the party. If you've liked us, we are Wainfleet Theatre Club. We do an annual pantomime every year at the Coronation Hall just around the corner, and it is in January and February this year. Look out for our Facebook page because it's Beauty and the Beast, and tickets are on sale now. You can buy them online this year. We've moved into modern times, so our link is on our Facebook page. Please have a look and get your tickets. So it is beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
because it's been absolutely horrific here today. And at one point we nearly had an empty marketplace, which was a slight worry, but again, Wainfleet, it's really excelled itself and you've all turned out to see us. So I just want to thank you for coming and supporting us, and let's wish you a Merry Christmas. And I'll just pass you over to Steve.
Afternoon everybody, fantastic to see so many people. Thanks for turning out. I echo what Wendy has said. It's been a horrendous day. But thank you everybody, stallholders, public, and a thank you to all our council. We've been up from very early on this morning getting all this ready. So thank you everybody on the council as well, and all our other helpers. Okay, thank you very much. We're a little bit light, a little bit late, but we're going to start the countdown now, so if everybody can join in. 10 down to 0. Seems a good place to start. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elves, can you get him please?
The Grinch has stolen the Christmas lights.
Elves, bring him back. Keep him here. Don't let him go. You stay where you are. Okay? We're going to have to start the countdown again. Okay? Here we go. Let's do it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you, everybody.
So we will go and have a walk around the perimeter of Wainfleet so you can see some of the little lights that are on, the little Christmas trees. The big Christmas tree over here is now all lit up, and some more down on the high street as well. I'll see you later guys, thank you, see you later, bye, bye bye. Right, so you've got all around the market square. You've got the lights up on the gutters. You can see the little Christmas trees. Wainfleet is looking super. And I'm just coming down to the front of the market square. There's the little clock tower. And then if you look down the high street, how pretty is that looking there? And then you're looking down towards the market square again, just outside the wool pack. And then we're looking down this way is the clock tower, all lit up. We'll just tuck down at the back here so you can see the back of the Christmas tree. Then we'll walk down, we'll catch you with some more carol singing, because there is a couple more songs coming on. And then here you've got the Christmas tree. And then we're coming back down. I think we may be able to catch one more carol with some luck. Let's go and see what we can catch, shall we? Come on. So the Grinch did try to steal the Christmas lights.
I'm a bit more enthusiastic, come on.
Right, so I hope you enjoyed some more Christmas carols. We've got the light angels still walking about. Just gone do a quick catch up with them there just down the end here. There they are. How pretty are they all looking as they're coming along? Doing a walkabout. They're all getting a big wave. There you go. How fantastic does that look? Absolutely superb. And we're going to make our way back through town. So we didn't show the Christmas tree from this side, did we? There you go. That's the. Oh, it's got a bit of. Sorry. Oh, there you go. The lights have stopped flickering. The blue lights you can see flashing are a fire engine that's in the square. It's very bright. Oh, he's going. He's going. The fire engine is leaving. But yeah, how pretty. And slowly the crowds are leaving the 2025 Wainfleet Christmas Market and Lighting. Did you enjoy that, Sandra?
Very nice.
Very pretty, wasn't it? Right. So we'll take you for a little bit of a walk down towards the Angel. You can see some of the lights. So we were here a minute ago. I can hear birds coming home to roost, flying overhead. Listen carefully. So well done to all the organisers and the people that go behind making events like that happen. They don't happen by magic. There's always a hard-working team behind it, and as was mentioned, there was a rather wet period early this afternoon as well, wasn't there?
It wasn't great, but better than last year. At least it happened this year.
Yeah, so that's the big thing is it happened this year. So if you don't know, or you're new viewers, this is our second Christmas living in Wainfleet, and last year, unfortunately, the weather
it was an actual storm, basically.
Got the better of things, and the Christmas light big switch on had to be turned off. But that was good, wasn't it? Quite an enjoyable day, and nice to see all the stalls, and at the end, everybody came out to support such a wonderful event. If you've not already done so, you can like, comment, and you can subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost anything to do that. You can share the videos, that'd be fantastic, and we love to read your comments. We always try and get back to all the comments if you make any, and it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas, Sandra.
Very nice.
Say goodbye, Sandra.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.